The ingredients are in the drop-down menu below. Slice the lemon into small pieces. 3 to 4 pieces of lemon. Mint leaves. Blueberries. Sugar. Crush to a pulp. White rum. Ice cubes. Soda water. Mix well. Garnish with lemon and mint. Let's do an orange one this time. Slice the lemon and the orange into small pieces. Three to 4 pieces of lemon. Mint leaves. 3 to 4 pieces of orange. Sugar. Crush to a pulp. White rum. Ice cubes. Orange juice. Soda water. Mix well. Garnish with orange. Mint. Now relax and enjoy. I hope you liked this recipe. Thank you for watching the video. See you on the next one.